So that all is included. And then on your bloopers.
Hello everyone and welcome to Fresh Finds. We're here to help you find products that are perfect for your brand. I'm Jason.
And I'm Whitney.
How are you doing over there today, Whitney?
Oh, it's a beautiful day outside. It's sunny and it's gorgeous.
Well, hopefully it's beautiful for everybody outside, but if it's not, we have some products that will hopefully make their day beautiful. There you go. How's that for an intro?
We do.
Do you mind if I go first?
No, not at all. Go ahead. What do you got for me?
All right. Cool. So I have the Fullerton Sling Bag over here. I'm a big fan of sling bags. I actually, I do some photography and video on the side, and usually I always carry all my camera gear in a sling bag just because they're so convenient and easy as far as accessing them. You know, you kind of just throw this one strap over you, right? And then when you need something out of it, you just kind of swing it around and then you can access whatever's inside. Something more lightweight, just something you want to take with you on the go to like maybe the beach or the park. It has a nice little mesh pocket holder over here. Nice little slip pocket up front with this heathered design here. It's kind of just a no-nonsense, straight to the point, nice little carrying sling bag.
They're great for traveling as well, and it's nice to kind of keep your belongings with you so you're not carrying a purse or anything like that. And then it's there on your body.
Good. How are you?
The one thing I really love about them is that pocket on the side of them, because when you are traveling, if you're exploring, you can put your water bottle in there. It's a really usable product. It's not something that's just going to get thrown away. Your customers and your employees or whoever you're giving these to are definitely going to use them on a daily basis.
Several different colors you can get in as well. This is the royal blue, but there's also a navy, a black, and a red. And your logo shows up as a one-color imprint right on the front here, which is always nice for getting the word out.
Today I have this fun little contraption. This is actually called our Sip and Snack Reusable Set. It comes with a lot of little secrets in it. So not only is it a bottle opener, it comes with a reusable fork, knife, and spoon, as well as a reusable straw, which these things are great. You know, definitely if you're trying to be smart with the environment, you know, saving on all those plastic straws that we use.
Yeah.
It just kind of pulls out into a full straw. And then there's also a little cleaning thing with it. You know, you can get a reusable straw anywhere, but to clean them, it's kind of, you know, it can be a little tedious process if you're trying to do it. But with this cleaner, it's just so nice because it gets right into the straw.
Yep, and this is totally just a me thing, but it's oddly satisfying to open and close those straws. I don't know how you feel about that, but it's like, yes, I'm ready for my smoothie or whatever you're having, you know?
Yeah, no, I totally get what you're saying. Another nice thing about the little kit itself is there is a carabiner on it. So you can clip it on your lunch bag, you can clip it on your backpack, your purse, whatever, you know, that way you don't lose it. So it's easy carrying. And then your logo will go on the front here. It includes a one-color imprint. Now for an additional cost, you can actually do a two-color imprint, which is really nice because some logos do have a multi-color imprint.
Yeah, like we got some good, we got the sling bag here, we got that, you just throw that in your sling bag, you know, maybe we did the coolers last week, there you go, you have a whole bunch of bottles of some soda or some other beverages, and there you go, you're good to go.
Yep, you're set for your day, you're set for your picnic, you got everything together.
All right, well that's all we have for today. Whitney, do you have anything else to add?
Yeah, I just wanted to say, you know, being in the customer service department, if you have any questions or concerns, you know, there's somebody always available to answer those questions for you. Our customer service team is available from 7 until 10 Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday, and then 8 to 3 Central Standard Time on Saturdays. So definitely give us a call. If you have any questions, we're more than happy to assist you.
Awesome, and don't forget to tune in next time for more Fresh Finds.